Ебаный, да?
Говори.
Что говоришь?
Говори, что я говорю.
Говорил, ты не говорю.
Ой, привет, Лёхи, наш шум.
Ебаный вышел.
Нету с нами его, да?
Вот я.
Передаем привет маме, нашим мамам, Коте, бабушкам. Всем вообще бабушкам. Всем бабушкам. Не всем бабушкам мира. И к потному очку, смеху, Косте, мохнатый.
Да, сегодня Трина.
И передаем привет всем людям.
Да. Все, конечно.
И Искандер.
Да, о, Искандер.
И Искандер это...
Да.
Бля, я охуел. Бля. Бля. Помогите мне встать, блядь! У меня шоколад во рту!
I'm out for whatever you wanna call a cash or paper. My only purpose to kill, perfect assassinator. I'm on the path of Islam, you on the path of Vader. My nickname Buck 50, cousin past the razor. The 750, I turn you from a fan to hater. Feeling myself like I'm a chronic masturbator. I ain't the type of motherfucker you should ask a favor. I'm the type of motherfucker that'll blast my neighbor. I look at anybody as weak that has a savior. The Israeli Galil will turn your ass to vapor. I got an Ingram Mac 11 and it has a laser. I got a thing for Mac 11's, not a passive nature. Everything I write is war on the pad and paper. I don't listen to rap no more, my passion slayer. My heart is cold, it's the temperature of a massive glacier. I put a giant hole inside you like a massive crater.
Johnny wanna be a big star, get on stage and play the guitar, make a little money, buy a fancy car, a big old house and an alligator, just to match with them alligator shoes. He's a rich man, so it's no longer singing the blues. He's singing songs about material things and platinum rings and watches that go bling, but diamonds don't blink in the dark. He a star now, but he ain't singing it from the heart. Sooner or later it's just gonna fall apart, cause his fans can't relate to his newfound art. He ain't doing what he did from the start, and that's putting in some feeling and thought. He decided to live his life shallow, cash in his love for material, and it's gone.
Gone, going, gone, everything gone, give a damn. Gone be the birds when they don't wanna sing. Gone people, awkward with their things gone.
Yourself in the mirror, ain't ya? Feel safe cause it looks familiar, but you're afraid to open up your soul cause...
Бля, я охуел.